Hello everyone, today I'll show you use the KD-X4 to add to KD keys, key for a 2018 Ford Mustang when all keys are lost. The difference from before is that this time we are using a brand new wiring harness. This is a homemade version. It will be more user-friendly after the official version is launched. The principle is that one end of the OBD is plugged into the vehicle and the other end is connected to our X4 device. And here we connect an external 12 volts power supply. This device is used for power supply. Provide a 12 volts power supply for our X4 device. If you have this cable, you won't need to buy the previous 8A wiring harness anymore. In addition, we will use KD keys. 3 KD keys machines are required. We need to program 2 keys for it. These 2 are for adding keys, and this other one is used to generate an emergency key. Only after generating the emergency key can the other 2 keys be programmed. An Apple iPhone is also required. Now, let's show you how it's done. The vehicle is now in an alarm state. The hazard lights are flashing, and because we've removed the horn relay, so the horn is not sounding, let's proceed to the next step. Now plug this OBD into the car. Plug in the device. Okay. These are the positive and negative poles. Power our device when power is disconnected. So we attach this clip. Connect the positive clip to the positive terminal. Connect the negative clip to the negative terminal. Okay. The phone has now connected to the device via Bluetooth. Then we have these 2 KD keys. We have generated the corresponding remote control program for it. We now enter the matching function. Because this function hasn't been released yet, so we need to enter the test area. After the function is officially released, you can just enter this official section to perform the function. This is the test area. We enter the test area. Now we directly go into the All Keys Lost function to proceed. Select All Smart Key Lost. Okay. Now we need to lock the door handle. Now lock it. Okay. Click OK. Now we need to disconnect and reconnect the car battery. When the car battery is reconnected, the device will disarm the alarm. Now we need to disconnect the car battery, then press OK. Now disconnect the car battery. Click OK. Wait for 30 seconds. Now we need to reconnect the car battery. Then check if the car alarm will be cancelled. If it cancels, you may proceed. If it hasn't cancelled, keep trying again. The car alarm has now been cancelled. The anti-theft alarm has now been cancelled. Click OK to continue. We can perform this operation after finishing this step. Click OK. Now reading the anti-theft data file, it will take about 10 minutes. The data has been saved successfully. Let's save it. Click Save. OK. Save successfully and then click back. OK. Load the file you just saved. OK. Now we take this key to generate an emergency one. Put it here. Generation successful. OK. Return after successful generation. Now you need to place this emergency simulated key inside the car. Then take the other keys out of the car. Click OK. An emergency key needs to be placed in the sensing area. Then press the 1 button, Start. Click OK. Check whether the emergency anti-theft alarm has been disarmed. If you can cancel the alarm, press OK. If the alarm cannot be cancelled, regenerate it and press Start. The alarm has now been cancelled. Click OK. If you click OK, you just want to delete all the keys. Then select OK to confirm whether you want to add other keys. Then we'll just click OK. Let's reprogram the key again. The keys have now been deleted. Then we add them again. Now we need to turn off the ignition switch first. Then place the key to be matched in the sensing area. Press the 1-button start button, then wait for 3 seconds. The same steps apply to the other keys. Then put the key we have prepared in place. OK. First turn it off, then switch it off again. Then press it again and wait for 3 seconds. Then we put the other key in. OK. Now the number of keys is 2. Matching successful? Let's check the functions of the key. Unlock and lock functions work properly. Try to start the car. All done, job finished.